Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be going to show you a new RDP method. We'll be using this site. It's called VMHST. So we go to sign up. So here you put your username. Let's say RDP user 123. Okay. So then copy this email, temporary email. I place it and then I paste it. Password, you can just put anything, your password. Okay, then you say I'm not a robot. Validate captcha. Click on all the bicycles. Click sign up. So okay, save if you want to save. So we go to the dashboard. We will be adding to the products. Say activate your account. You go to the temporary mail, then you click on it. The subject is, so you can open the link in new tab and just refresh this page. Verification successful. Can just, let's continue with this one. Just a little bit. So we are back. So here you'll see deploy server. So create VPS. So you go to this section, free VPS for 2 hours. All instances are booked up. Please wait for a few hours. So I had earlier created one. So these are the VPS details, which is valid till this date. So I'm having problems with my RDP. Can't log in into this server. So you are being given a VPS server. See, I have this problem, but you'll be given a VPS server trial for 2 hours. So I hope you'll enjoy it. If you have the patience, you can just wait. You can log in into using your mobile phone. Yes, any can do. So that's it. And thank you for staying tuned. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and that's how you get your free RDP for 2 hours. So here is the previous account. You can see the password is that. If you can access it, but I know it will have expired by this date. So that's it.